Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now let's start. So I'm gonna show you how to change chat limit on LiveChat. So open LiveChat app on your device. Now what you need to do is to click on more at the bottom. Next, click on your profile name at the top. And in here you have your name, your job title, and chat limit. So as you can see, chat limit maximum is 20. So what you can do to edit chat limit is to click on edit right here and choose the number that you prefer. So you have from 1 to 20. So just pick whichever you want. So I'm going to set it to 10 maybe. So it's basically up to you. Now once done, click on done at the top right. And that's it. It has now changed into 10 chat limit. And that's basically it. Now up here, you can also change your job title. You can change your name and you can also add a profile picture or change your profile picture. So to do that, click on the camera icon right here. So you can take photo, add photo, choose from default. So I'm gonna click on choose from default. So you have people, abstract. So I'm gonna click on abstract and I'm gonna pick this one right here and click on save. So click on save once more to save all the changes. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.